Do you want to learn how to use real estate to reduce the cost of college? In fact, instead of giving the school your money, you could actually use that money towards a down payment on a piece of real estate. How? Because of what we call depreciation. Now, typically when you buy a vehicle for your business, it is going to depreciate over time, so the government allows you to write that off on your taxes. Well, the same thing is true with real estate. When you buy a home, by default, that is going to depreciate over 27.5 years. That means that although in most cases, real estate is going to appreciate in value, you get to depreciate it on your taxes, and it gets even better. Believe it or not, you can take, on average, the purchase price and get 30% of that purchase price in a tax deduction in year one. For example, let's say you buy $1 million property. You could potentially reduce your income by $200,000 to $300,000, meaning that now you qualify for lots of financial aid, Pell Grants, all sorts of free money for college. So you can use tax savings to legally and ethically lower your taxes, but it just so happens that tax savings equals college savings, and now you can maximize the free money for school. As an example, let's take a look at Lafayette College that retails at $88,000 a year. But by lowering your income, you can actually qualify for about $74,000 of free money from the school and from the government, meaning you're only paying about $14,000 per year out of pocket. And there are several other schools that offer even more money than this. So you could use our free money search tool to be able to find schools that are going to give you the most free money and the lowest out-of-pocket cost.